choke has been taken off now. Hello, I'm John and welcome back to Bradfords TV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Rotavator, which is part of our garden and landscaping range, available at all Bradfords Tool and Plant Hire depots. A few good things to remember about hiring from Bradfords Tool and Plant Hire. The majority of our equipment is under 5 years old, meaning when you hire from us, you will get good, serviceable equipment. Every piece of machinery will come with one of these service tags. It's our proof that the equipment has been thoroughly tested and ready for hire. On the back of this is a safety information sheet with operating instructions, so if you get stuck while hiring the equipment, you can always refer to this and it will help you. You can also benefit from using our damage and loss waiver, which protects you for loss, theft and damage while it's in your care. The Rotavator is great for making light work of hard compacted soil. The benefits of this is improving the drainage, bringing nutrients to the surface, loosening the soil and aerating it. Before we do a demonstration of this equipment, always remember to bring your PPE. Your gloves, your goggles, your ear protection and your safety boots. So we're going to start off with the top end of the machine. Up here we've got the parking brake, so now that we're about to use it, we're going to take the parking brake off. Over here we have a red lever. We're going to bring the red lever into the on position, which is marked by a green sticker. Just beneath it, you have the throttle. So that's going to increase the revs of the engine once we've got the machine running. And over here, we have the throttle lever and what we call the dead man switch. In the middle of the machine, we've got two levers. This lever here is going to do our gears. So this machine has a forward gear and a reverse gear. You go forwards by pulling the lever back and you go into reverse by pushing it forwards. On this side, we have the lever which engages the tines. Around the front of the machine is where the engine's housed. Over here we've got two little levers, a grey one and a black one. When we're using, we'll always keep the black one in the on position because that's the fuel line. And we're going to put the machine onto choke. So now we're going to start the machine. We'll put the choke on. We then pull the handle. The choke has been taken off now. So I'm going to take the lever and the dead man switch. I'm going to increase the speed of the machine a little bit. If you want to adjust the depth at which it rotavates, then you can do that by using this red lever. You pull out this pin here, and then you would push this red lever down and then re-secure using the pin again. Another great feature of this machine is that if you're working in tight spaces, you can change the direction of the handlebars either at a short angle or you can change it to 180 degrees. To do this, you need to release the two bars on the side of the machine. Use this lever to pull back, swing the machine around and re-secure it into one of these locating holes, and then you would re-secure the two bars. And that's everything you need to know about the Rotavator. If you would like to hire this or any other equipment from our garden and landscaping range, please visit your local Bradfords Tool and Plant Hire depot.